As the clock ticks down to 2025, are you prepared to face the financial challenges ahead? With rising inflation, fluctuating markets, and changing economic conditions, the importance of cultivating sound financial habits has never been more crucial. What if you could secure your financial future by adopting simple yet powerful practices today? In this video, you will see the best financial habits for 2025, but before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe, give our videos a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start from number 10. Create a diversified income stream. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. To enhance your financial stability, consider creating diversified income streams. This could involve starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in rental properties or dividend-generating stocks. By exploring various income avenues, you not only increase your overall earnings, but also build resilience against job loss or unforeseen circumstances. Identify your skills and interests to find opportunities that align with your strengths. Whether it's launching an online store, offering consulting services, or investing in a peer-to-peer lending platform, creating diverse income streams empowers you to take control of your financial future, giving you the flexibility to save more, invest wisely, and achieve your financial goals. Number 9. Set up a financial review schedule. Regular financial reviews are essential for maintaining control over your financial health and ensuring you stay aligned with your goals. Consider establishing a financial review schedule, such as monthly or quarterly check-ins, to assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. During these reviews, take time to evaluate your budget, savings goals, and investments. Reflect on what's working well and identify areas for improvement. This dedicated time allows you to stay engaged with your finances, reinforcing accountability and awareness. Moreover, it provides an opportunity to celebrate your successes and reassess your priorities. By setting up a financial review schedule, you create a proactive approach to managing your finances, keeping you on track toward achieving your long-term objectives. Number 8. Review and adjust financial goals regularly. As life evolves, so do your financial goals. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial objectives is essential to ensure they remain relevant and achievable. At the start of each year, set financial goals based on your current situation and future aspirations. Periodically track your progress, making adjustments as necessary to reflect changes in your life circumstances. Flexibility is key. Be prepared to modify your goals if life throws unexpected challenges your way. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as recognizing your progress boosts motivation and reinforces positive financial habits. Number 7. Stay educated about personal finance. Financial literacy is a critical asset for making informed decisions and building wealth over time. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to manage your money effectively. Invest time in reading personal finance books, articles, and blogs to empower yourself with knowledge about budgeting, saving, and investing. Consider attending workshops or webinars that cover relevant personal finance topics. Many organizations offer free resources to enhance your understanding. Additionally, following reputable financial experts on social media or through podcasts can provide valuable tips and strategies to improve your financial management skills. Number 6. Reduce debt strategically. Managing and reducing debt is essential for maintaining financial health, as high-interest debt can drain your resources and hinder your ability to save and invest. Start by creating a comprehensive debt repayment plan that lists all your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, utilizing methods such as the avalanche or snowball technique to streamline your efforts. Additionally, don't hesitate to negotiate lower interest rates with your creditors, as even a small reduction can save you significant money over time. Be mindful of your spending habits to avoid accumulating new debt. Consider using cash or debit cards to limit impulse purchases, and stick to your budget. Number 5. Make saving a habit. Cultivating a savings habit is crucial for achieving your financial goals, whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or a home purchase. Start by defining clear, achievable savings goals to keep you motivated. The pay yourself first strategy can be particularly effective. Automatically transfer a portion of your income to your savings account before covering other expenses. This prioritization of saving ensures you stay on track and make consistent progress toward your goals. Don't forget to celebrate milestones along the way, regardless of how small they may seem. Recognizing your savings achievements reinforces positive financial habits and motivates you to continue working toward your financial aspirations. Number 4. Start investing early. Investing is a vital component of building wealth over time, and starting early can significantly enhance your financial prospects through the power of compound interest. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement accounts such as 401(k) or IRAs, contributing enough to receive any employer match, which is essentially free money for your retirement. Diversification is essential to mitigate risk. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket by spreading your investments across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. For those new to investing, consider utilizing robo-advisors, which manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, while typically charging lower fees than traditional financial advisors. By starting to invest early, you set yourself on a path to long-term financial growth. Number 3. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a straightforward budgeting guideline that can help you effectively allocate your income. Under this method, divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses, including housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Dedicate 30% to discretionary spending, allowing yourself to enjoy life through dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Finally, set aside 20% for savings and debt repayment, which includes contributions to retirement accounts and any outstanding debts. This structured approach not only helps you maintain financial discipline, but also ensures that you enjoy your earnings while building a secure financial future. Number 2. Prioritize emergency savings. Establishing an emergency fund is essential for achieving financial stability, acting as a safety net during unexpected events, like medical emergencies or job loss. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. While this might seem daunting, start small and gradually build up to your goal. Automate your savings by setting up monthly transfers to your emergency savings account, treating this transfer as a recurring bill to ensure consistency. Opt for high-yield savings accounts to store your emergency fund, as they typically offer better interest rates than traditional accounts, allowing your savings to grow more efficiently. By prioritizing emergency savings, you create a buffer that can shield you from financial distress when life throws you a curveball. Number 1. Create a comprehensive budget. Budgeting is the cornerstone of effective financial management, serving as a roadmap for your financial journey. A well-structured budget helps you gain clarity on your income, expenses, and savings goals. Begin by tracking all sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and passive income streams. Next, list your monthly expenses, categorizing them into fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs such as dining out and entertainment. This process will provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation. To streamline your budgeting efforts, consider using budgeting apps or software that automate tracking and visualize spending trends. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. Regularly review and adjust it based on changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals. Flexibility is key to successful budgeting, allowing you to adapt to life's unpredictable twists and turns. We hope you enjoyed our video, so don't forget to subscribe and like and share your thoughts in the comments section. And stay with us to achieve financial success together.